Hey YouTube, welcome to today's video. Today's video is how I curl my hair using no heat products at all and overnight. So you literally do this before you go to bed and you can wake up with perfect curls and it is fabulous. Anything that can save your hair one day without using a hot tool on it is so good for your hair and will be way healthier. So that's enough talking for me. I've tried to film this intro like 50 times. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. What happened? Hey guys, welcome to the... So let's just get into the video. Alright guys, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button if you like hair videos on my channel, and we'll see you in my next one. Alright, bye! It all started when I was walking in my kitchen and I saw our little child-proof bandana locks on our cupboards, and I was like, hey, I could totally use these to wrap up in my hair. So what you'll need for today's video is some bandanas and some ponytails. I'm using 3. You're going to want to shower and comb your hair, and you can do this with dry hair as well. I've done that before. Or you could just spray your hair a little bit with a little mist. If your hair doesn't curl that easily, it should be a little damp. But you're going to want to wait till your hair is damp. And so I just took a big square and clipped up my top section, and then I'm just parting my hair in half because I have very fine hair. I don't have a lot, and so I can get away with just 3 bandanas. I'm going to comb each section. So then you're going to take your bandana, and with about 6 inches left on the top, you're just going to take your hair and literally just wrap it around the bandana. So you'll also need hair ties. Once you get to the end, you're just going to take your little hair tie and tie that around your ends. And then you'll just take the bandana and tie it in a knot, obviously not too tight. If you have really thick hair and a ton of hair, I would definitely do 1 section in the back as well, or add a couple more bandanas. But I'm just going to do it to my other side, wrapping the hair around the bandana, tying it off at the end, and then tying the bandana together. I like sleeping in the bandanas because it's so soft, they do not bother me at all. Like if I sleep on my side, it's not like rods or something that I've used in the past. These bandanas, actually I got a 2-pack from Dollar Tree, so super cheap. But yeah, you can definitely use like leggings, like cut your leggings up, or use your husband's or guy's socks. Like you could definitely find other things besides bandanas to make this work for you. So I'm just going to do the top section last. And oh goodness, my straight across bangs, guys. I look like a lion. Fierce lion. But yeah, just wrap it around and tie it off, and then va va ving. Go to sleep and get ready for a great morning, not having to put heat on your hair or having to even really worry about doing anything, which is great. Hey you guys, I can't wait any longer to take these out. Usually when you sleep with these in your hair, I feel like it's a lot more volumized, but I've just been wearing them for a couple hours to let them dry. Hey, can you say hi? And I feel like it weighs down more, so it's not gonna be as whatever. This is Bruce. Say hi. He wants my toothbrush. But anyways, yeah, let's take these out. Straight across bangs right now, but I did not do them, so we're just gonna pin it back, and my hair is still damp, so it's not as great as it would be, but I think you guys can see that you could easily wake up with really curly hair. Let's see how the back looks. Is it showing? Right. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Obviously, if you wanted looser curls, you could use something wider, or you could double up on these, because then if you are wrapping your hair around a thicker piece, it'll be bigger curls. And if you wanted more tight and a lot more curls, you could do way more bandanas. I don't have a ton of hair. But that is what it looks like. And remember that my hair was a little damp still, so, but not too bad. If you guys like this hair video and different ideas like that, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are new. I would love to have you stick around, and we will see you in my next video. Alright, bye guys.